Hi everyone, this is Mackoy Suleiman of Mackoy Vlogs. Today, we're going to unbox another 360 camera, which is the Insta360 X3. And yes, you heard it right, it's now called Insta360 X3 only because the brand already removed the word One from the name of this camera to make it more simple. Anyway, before I share you more information about this new camera, if it's the first time you visited me here on my YouTube channel, please like this video and click the subscribe button just so you won't miss any of my newest uploads. And aside from the Insta360 videos that I got here, this video is also sponsored by Insta360. So, these are the package we received from Insta360. They sent us the Get Set kit, which includes the following. Well, aside from these, they also sent us additional accessories, which I'm very excited to find out, but we will get into that later on. For now, I do have my pair of scissors here, so let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Start from here. Let's remove this box. Let's set them aside first. This one here, this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's now open this one. Whew. Finally. Alright, so we already unboxed everything here. And we were first focused about the Get Set kit that they sent us. And our first item would be, let's start from here. This is the Insta360 Invisible Stick. If you follow me on my social media accounts, this is the stick that I'm using for my Insta360 One X2. So let's open it. Okay, great. So the stick has the Insta360 logo. And yes, this is 114 centimeters long. Next one would be the lens cap. So lens cap is used to protect the lens of our cameras. As you are aware, Insta360 cameras are quite bulky, especially the lens. So in order to protect the camera lenses, it's a must to have this lens cap. Let's open it. Whew, it's hot in the Philippines. So this is the lens cap. It's quite bigger than the previous one, and I can say I like it better this time. Uy, may lamok. Third item would be the Insta360 memory card, a 64 gig SD card. If you have a higher quality or higher capacity memory card, you can still use it if you want to. However, the Insta360 X3 requires high quality SD card that can cope up with the high quality high performance quality of the camera. By using the Insta360 SD card, you can be confident that it has gone through a thorough quality assurance process. And for our main event, the Insta360 X3. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Later, I will discuss what's new about this Insta360 X3, so stay where you are. But for now, aside from the camera, let's go ahead and explore what's inside of this mini box. Let's remove this one first. So according to the back of the box, you can see the X3, which is this one. Charge cable. Where's the charge cable? Okay, here it is. The charge cable. We also have Couple of stickers from Insta360. We also have, of course, the quick start guide. There's a bunch of them. I don't know why. Yeah. Okay. And we have the pouch. Let's open it. Ooh. Okay. Smells factory. And the lens cloth. This one. Ooh. Again, smells like factory. Alright, so these are the items included on the Get Set kit. You can have all these for just $496 or around 27,000 in Philippine peso, which is really affordable. Let's move on to the other accessories Insta360 gave us. So let's start with, I think we should start with this one. So this is the extended edition of the selfie stick, which is 3 meters long. You can have this for $99.99. Once again, this is not included on the Get Set kit. This is just an addition to what Insta360 have sent us. Wait. Since it's 3 meters, I'm sure it's not gonna fit on the screen. Oy. Alright, so the next item would be the Insta360 dive case. As you are aware, I'm a free diver, and I think that's obvious. Look at what happened to my face. This is actually not a beard, but rather a sunburn. I've been diving non-stop and teaching free diving every weekend, so this is what happened to me. It's like, tell me you're a free diver without telling me you're a free diver. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this box. Once again, this is not included on the Get Set kit. You have to purchase it separately, and this will cost you $79.99 at the moment on the Insta360 website. Don't worry guys, I will include the link on the description of this video so you would know where to purchase it. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this one. Ooh, I love the box. Okay, the Insta360 X3 dive case instructions for use. For security of the dive case, we have some sort of, what do you call this? I don't know. And of course, our dive case, which is inside this plastic. Let's remove it here. Woo! Ta-da! The dome type Insta360 dive case. Aside from this case, there are also other accessories just like these. Bunch of defoggers. I don't know what are these two. And this one I think is a cloth or a pouch. Yes, it is. It smells good. This time, let's talk about what's new with the Insta360 X3. I also do have my Insta360 One X2 here, so we can go ahead and compare both of these cameras. First, let's talk about their appearance. Oops. Okay. So, as you can see, X3 is quite thicker than the X2. It's also a bit heavier compared to the previous one, simply because it has now a bigger amount of battery. And you can also see the difference in terms of the screen. X3 has now a bigger screen, which is 2.29-inch touchscreen for easier operation. Aside from the difference of the appearance of these two cameras, X3 can now take more detailed videos and 72 megapixel photos. Apart from that, there's a new and upgraded mode such as 4K single lenses, 360 active HDR, Me mode, 8K time-lapse, 4K 120 frames per second for bullet time and loop recording. Well, that's a quality upgrade. Is X3 better than the One X2 in terms of using the camera underwater? Well, as you are aware, the main issue we encountered with the One X2 is that the water is getting inside of this camera, which is a disaster. I know. Well, according to Insta360, This issue won't arise if you are using the Insta360 X3 version. Based on what I can see here, X3 looks a lot better, and I think it's more safer and secure to use this camera underwater compared to this one. But then again, using a dive case is still highly recommended. Also, I will upload a video using this Insta360 X3 without a dive case, just so we can confirm if it's really safe to use underwater without a dive case. I'm not a diver. Should I still purchase the X3 or the Insta360 One X2 will be fine? Well, if you are not a diver and don't have any intention of using the camera underwater, you are on a budget and would just like to take 360 videos and photos, I must say you purchase the Insta360 One X2. The standalone of this version would only cost you $429.99, which is quite cheaper compared to the new ones. But aside from the features of the Insta360 One X2, if you want a longer battery life and a bigger screen, well, Insta360 X3 is for you. The standalone version of the Insta360 X3 will only cost you $449.99. Imagine you will just add $20 and you will get this amazing upgrade. Well, that is worth the price. And that's a wrap! I hope you find this video helpful and answered some of your questions about the Insta360 X3. If you wanted to purchase any of these cameras, or let's say any Insta360 items or products, I will include the link on the description of this video. And before I let you go, please like and share this video with your friends. Click the subscribe button so it would help me reach more audience here on my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Mackoy Soliman of Mackoy Vlogs. Stay safe and see you guys again soon. Bye!